Okay, we're going to show you how to change the ink on the Roland VG and the Roland SG machines. So if we pop the ink tray out of the machine, there is a central locking tab. If you pull that down, that will help you release the ink bag. Now it does have some locator tabs on it as well, there and there, to help you when you pop the new one back in the tray. So you pop your new one back into the ink tray and push it till the central tab clicks and locks in place. Simply slide the ink tray back into the machine as far as it will go and you're done.